Is there a difference between Thunderbolt and mini-displayport cables? TB to TB cables seems to be more expensive than NDP to NDP cables. Is there any actual difference besides the branding? This is for use in connecting a MacBook Pro to a dock with multiple ports, USB 3.0, Firewire, Ethernet, audio, etc.
According to this source and also this source, you will not be able to use a mini DisplayPort cables instead of Thunderbolt cables. MBA equals MacBook Air.
Yes, they are different. DisplayPort is a passive audio-video technology. Thunderbolt is active generic data technology. The hardware inside the cable is necessary to get the full data throughput. A DisplayPort cable will only carry video/audio to an attached monitor's asterisk, while a Thunderbolt cable is able to carry all sorts of other data, which is required for your dock with multiple types of ports. Whilst you can get away with connecting one monitor to Thunderbolt with a mini-DP cable, that's the end of the chain. In order to chain, you must have Thunderbolt cabling throughout. See the technology inside Apple's $50 Thunderbolt cable. Thunderbolt carries DisplayPort 1.1a video, and will not work with some newer monitors, including 4K monitors. One will need at least DP 1.2 spec cables to power 4K monitors. Thunderbolt also carries data 4 high-speed PCIe channels in addition to DP 1.1a. Asterisk, or to multiple monitors as all devices support DP 1.2 with MST.
Mini DisplayPort cable. Thunderbolt cable. Nothing works for mini DisplayPort to Thunderbolt.
Difference number 1: performance. The comparison chart below illustrates just how efficient Thunderbolt is with handling media files. Difference number 2: compatibility. The image below shows which combinations of Thunderbolt, TB cable, and mini DisplayPort, DP cable, will work, marked green, and will not work, marked red, together. Click to see large picture. Read more in StarTech blog.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.